Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to my video number 15. Yes, you can see the backdrop right there. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day here in Dublin. But yeah, just to get light in my face, let's do this. This video is going to be about something I've tagged leaning, and there's a popular book written by CEO of Facebook, Sheryl Sandberg, where she was encouraging women to get more involved in technology and to start up to management, and that's what this video is really all about. So many times we have the opportunity to do stuff, and our 2 cents of experience or lessons that we've learned, and that could be of value to people, even give us some sort of exposure, but we overlook these opportunities only to rant about them later. Um, I came across a tweet from CNN Startup Africa, and they were just asking what it takes to run a startup in Lagos, and that's something that I've had the opportunity to do with my first startup, Easy Appetite. And I first saw the tweet, and I was like, well, if you want to know what it takes, then you have to go do it yourself. But then I was like, I had a change of heart and just sent out 2 cents, 2 tweets actually. And the first tweet was, first, you set up pivoting to actually solving a problem that first blocks your initial solution. And just for context, a mobile ticketing startup might be faced with the problem of online payments or mobile payments, and then evolves to become a mobile payment startup. While trying to solve that problem. And yeah, I just sent out the tweet, and that was it. I just moved on, only to be told days after that the tweet was part of the compilation. I made it to the CNN website, and that was really cool. But then it just got me thinking. And many times we have the chance or opportunity to actually lean in and share our 2 cents. Something that we've learned, some experience that we have. That could be of value to someone, but we just overlook it, and that's not really good. That's not really fair. And leaning in is not going to, might not only be of value to the receiver, but ourselves in terms of exposure, and you just never know what comes out of it. So yeah, that's it really. I hope every opportunity you have to lean in, you do take it, and yeah, that's it. Cheers.